I have 4 commitments. Number 1 commitment, as a human being, I am one of the 7 billion human beings. So we all want happy life, peaceful life. The ultimate source of peace is inner compassion, warm-heartedness. According to our scientists, basic human nature, since we are social animal, so basic human nature is more compassionate. So therefore, from birth, we already have seed of compassion. Now, we have this special brain. We must utilize this brain to analyze what is the value of material thing for temporary. Material, someone billionaire, but mentally very unhappy. So ultimate source of happiness is peace of mind. So my number 1 commitment, irrespective of whether believer or non-believer, or believe this religion, that religion, we all have the potential of warm-heartedness. So my number 1 commitment is try to promote that basic human value. Then second commitment, I am Buddhist monk. Today's world, there are a number of cases killing human brothers, sisters in the name of religion. Terrible. All major religious traditions carry same message of love. Use different philosophical reasons, but all carry same message of love. So, all major different religious traditions, different philosophy, utilize that, and the ultimate aim is to bring inner peace through practice of compassion. Now India is the example. All major religious traditions live together harmoniously. This is example, living example. So my commitment is try to promote religious harmony. And then third, I am Tibetan. So Tibetan, entire Tibetan trusted me. So my main commitment regarding Tibet is preservation of Tibetan culture or Tibetan knowledge. Originally come from India, 8th century. The Nalanda master, Shantarakshita, invited to Tibet. He introduced Buddha Dharma according to Nalanda tradition. So Nalanda tradition, another word, Sanskrit tradition. So much utilize reason, analyze, analytical meditation. So Pali tradition is the foundation of Buddha Dharma. Wonderful. But Pali tradition, not much emphasis, utilize logical approach. The Nalanda tradition very much use logical approach. So even Buddha's own word, some Nalanda master, you see, raise question, this Buddha's teaching, we cannot accept, because this, if you accept that, it goes against reason, like Nagarjuna and Buddha Palita and Dharmakirti, Chandrakirti. Now these great master of Nalanda, they analyze Buddha's own word. I think that's quite wise.